Greetings once again from India. It's me, Kortn, one more time, showing you where we're living this month. This will be the last time from India because we're leaving, less than a week. There's our pool. This is a resort condo kind of complex. Nothing luxurious, but comfortable. It's kind of busy. Today's Saturday, so there's a lot of people in the pool. On the weekdays, there's nobody here. Weekdays, it's all ours. We'll go down here and I'll show you where we're living, our unit. Down this hall, look, it comes with a cat. We've been feeding her, free cat. Here's the Wi-Fi, there's the electric meter, that's important. And here's the backup battery, that's also important. I'll explain. In we go. Check out this place. Woohoo, nice. Big, clean, bright, airy, a lot of tile, a lot of stone. Here's our kitchen. Small kitchen, but it's got everything you need, including a washing machine, reverse osmosis water filter, a eating area, television. We got a futon couch out here. Over this way, bean bag. Here's where Ellie and I sit looking out at this view. I'll show you more of that later. Here's the most important thing in here, that air conditioner. It's hot here. It's like 100 degrees every day and humid. We're close to the ocean, so it's blazing hot. We run these a lot. We do have to pay for electricity here. The rent is $570 a month, but the electricity is separate. So far, we're using like $1.50 a day. Here we go into the other room. I got the air conditioner in here. It's on right now. Again, ceiling fans, nice spacious area, nice comfy bed. Ooh, it's cool in here. We got a balcony. I'll show you that in a minute. Check this out, the bathroom. Big space. Again, all stone, tile. Very nice. Got a vent, water heater. We don't need it. It's too hot for hot water. All right, back inside. We'll take you around to the balcony for the last part of this tour. Come on out here. Take a look at our jungle view. Check it out. This is Auroville, which is about 5-6 miles from Pondicherry. Pondicherry's out in that direction, but you can see there ain't nothing out here. It's a great view. You can sit on this balcony or inside on those chairs. These are actually cashew trees. It's cashew harvest season. They're out here. These trees and miles worth over there harvesting cashews. We've learned a lot about that. Pretty interesting. Anyhow, that's Auroville, Pondicherry, India, Kortn's crib. Check out earthvagabonds.com. I'm going to put up a little post about housing costs in India. We've been here 6 months, but we're out of here next week. And until next time, we'll see you on earthvagabonds.com.